Today, Google launches an artificial intelligence course on its platform. Hi friends, this is Akshay. Welcomes you all on Career Edge. This is the platform of Google Digital Unlocked. Most of you are familiar with this Google Learning platform because here Google also offers a digital marketing course for free, and this digital marketing course is the best digital marketing course offered by any learning platform. There is a recent update on the site that Google also offer an artificial intelligence course on this learning platform. How we get this, where to enroll, how to get the answer of that, and how to get certificate for this course in just 3 to 4 hours. You get this all by watching this full video. You can see there are many courses which Google offers on this platform. Now I'm going to show you how you get this course. Here you can see there are many courses option, there are many filters there. Firstly of all categories, and after that course length, certification, free or paid certificate, course availability, and course offering. Who offers these courses? You can see many learning platform and universities name. Now I am going to show you how you get that course of artificial intelligence. Just tapping on free certificate, you get two courses. First off is digital marketing course, fundamentals of digital marketing, and second is elements of AI. AI means artificial intelligence, and you can see in the above there is a batch of include certification, means you get a free certificate after completing this course. This course is offered by University of Helsinki and Reactor. Reactor is the branch in a University of Helsinki of a student which is very curious about artificial intelligence. The main purpose of this course is to demystify artificial intelligence to all, and you get here total 6 module, 30 hours learning is there. Beginner level course means anyone can join without any experience, without any knowledge, and here you can get the certificate for free. How it works you can see on your screen. Be prepared to dig deep, go through all the lessons. After that, get it in a study group. You can also get a community platform here where you can discuss about various topics related to this, and after that you can earn a certificate. Here I am going to show you the login and sign up process of this platform. Here it redirects to the elements of AI.com platform, that is from University of Helsinki. You can see the interface of this. Welcome to the elements of AI free online course. Already 4,60,000 students joined. So that's an impressive enrollment of students which encourages all to get this course. Now I'm going to show you some more data. You can see, are you wondering for AI might affect our daily life, our goal to demystify AI. You can see more about this AI and also about the course. And here there are two courses on elements of AI. First is Introduction to AI, which we are going to start, and second is Building AI. Building AI is not available, it is available after some time. For that you need to know about Python programming, a basic Python programming. But for the first course which we are going to enroll, there is no need of any prerequisite knowledge. This is an introduction to AI where you get an insight of artificial intelligence and its components. Now I am going to show you the course materials. Here there is a sign up and login process, and also it is written that it is free. You can see the chapter, there are 6 chapters here. An introduction to artificial intelligence, machine learning, neural network, implication, applications, all are here which you wants to know about artificial intelligence. And one more thing that is very impressive for this course is there is no video contents, only written contents are there where you need to study all the contents, and after that you need to answer. If we have any problem in any answer, I show you the answers. Here is the sign up process of this. You can see the sign up application form. There is how to do you want to study, and also there are 3 more columns are there where it is asking for ECTS credit, means the credit transfer of this course. You can see here ECTS credits. Now I am going to show you how to fill up. There is a sign up process. I filled this form. You can see it. Firstly, you need an email, password, your first name, last name, your country, postal code. Here, what do you want to study? You need a self-paced. Self-paced means you go through your pace. You can complete this course in a day by the solution which I am going to show you. Here, you need to tick on all the boxes, and after that, just submit this form. After submitting, you need to confirm your email. You can see you are logged in, but firstly you need to confirm your email. You go through it and you confused about this language because this is not in English. This is another language. I also doesn't get this, but there is an hint that by tapping on blue link, you are just confirm this course. Here your email address has been verified. And after verification, we move to the elements of AI course. You can see, welcome to the course. And now I am going to start this course. You can see all the chapters, AI problem solving. All the chapters have some exercises. But no worry, I am going to offer all the answers. I already make the solution videos. I am going to show you, and you get this by the link in the description. Just tapping on that, you get it. You cannot see the solution of this course publicly on my channel, so there is an only option to go through the link. Here you can see there are all answers, elements of AI through Reactor, all day solution, day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5 and day 6. All are only 5 to 6 minute solutions. If you go through all this, then you complete this course in only 1 hour. Also able to generate your certificate from this. You can see here on the screen, I am going to show you the answers. There is some looks of my video solution. You can see here, this is the exercise, and now I am answering that. So if you also want these solutions and wants to complete this course in some minutes, so go through this link and complete it in an hour and get the course certificate from Elements of AI, which is verified by Google. I hope you follow my instructions. If you find this course and the contents impressive and you get benefited, then please share with your friends. That's much in this video. Thanks for watching, friends.